One thing I learned in music production is that sounds don't only need to be good, they need to stop at the right moment. If your kick, bass, chords, percussion and samples are too long, they overlap. And when everything overlaps, the groove becomes blurry. That's where ADSR is really important. Attack, decay, sustain and release are basically the shape of a sound. How it starts, how it halts and how it ends. So, let's see this project. First of all, I play it. Okay, so I will show you how you can do ADSR with all these instruments. So first of all, the kick. The kick is here. At the beginning, the kick was like that, you know. More present, so I cut it a little bit. I go in the sampler, in fact, and then I decide to cut it and to fade it out, okay? So you can do it more extremely to see what happens. Huh? At one point it will be a nonsense, but okay. It's not disgusting. So first of all, the kick, I can do it in the samples. I can do it with this plugin. The name is Transient Shaper. Okay, so how does it work? This plugin is totally free. Huh? You can download it. KHS. Okay, so you have an attack. You can put the attack up or down. Pump, it's like ducking in fact, and sustain, you stop the end of the sound. You can see there is a little change. Huh? The sustain, it's not big the difference, but you understand that here, when I use the transient shaper, low frequencies are cut, and the attack is more percussive, okay? Okay, so it's another way to do it. Or otherwise, if you have the sample, you can just drag and drop and cut it and do it like that, like we did in the samples. For the bass, sometimes the bass is playing outside of the kick and sometimes with the kick. So we did to shape the sound, we will shape it with ShaperBox. It's a ducker, in fact. So ducking is just, there is an impact of the kick here, so I quiet the sound of the bass. And it helps to harmonize the sound and to feel more rhythm. We will do it exactly the same with the sample. Without the ShaperBox. Without the ShaperBox, we feel that the element of the pad sample is outside of the mix. It is independent, and this is not what we want. We want that there is like a glue, and all the instruments play together, are in the same room, you know. We can do the same with Golden. It's a synthesizer. So it cut a little bit of the attack, exactly, but we don't care because we want to feel this energy and the sound in the mix, okay? Another thing we can do it on hats, for example. So what did I do? I did the same with the kick, okay? Just here we have the hat, and the hat, you know, the original hat is like that. It is too much. So I fade it out and then I cut it. You feel more rhythm. The same here. Clap. I can do it with transient shaper too. Then we have the shaker. So the shaker, it's a sample. So there is one thing we can do with Ableton that I did not do to show it to you. So yeah, we can cut frequencies, okay? So here you have the bass, the kick, everything. So it is okay to let this place only for the clap. We can use for the shaker a little bit of ShaperBox, but not 100%, okay? But we can do another thing. It's a audio sample. So we go there, beat, transient, cut, and then so this one is not, it's not the same, huh? I didn't apply this. So here, I prefer this one, more rhythmic. So I just copy. And of course, we can do it with transient shaper too. So you understand, it is to make place to every instrument. We want to hear the clap, pew, but we don't want to hear the sustain of the clap. We want the punch, in fact. So. It seems to be more cut and more precise, and here, without the transient shaper, something is not clear. So it is really important to use these techniques to make your mix more punchy, more groovy, and more precise. So have a nice day. And if you want to know more about all these techniques, I wrote a book, How to Arrange Modern Music. So take care.